Hey guys, it's Ron doing a user review of the Logitech G502 Hero mouse, gaming mouse. And these weights here go in the bottom of the mouse. This cover comes off, and the weights go in there to give it a tactical feel, a more tactical feel to your mouse. Okay, so we're plugged in the computer, feeling around the computer, mouse clicks, right clicks, scroll. You guys, side keys can be programmed. It's actually a very, very good mouse. If you're looking for a gaming mouse, check this out. I'll link it in the description below the video. My favorite mouse is my G5, Logitech G5 game mouse. I've had for 19 years. That's my favorite mouse. But this one here is a very, very good contender to that mouse as well. Once again, links in the description.